AB Academy, what's going on? It's your boy Avery B. As you can see, this does not need no introduction, man. How to make 10K per month if you broke. You feel me? The reason I'm making this video, the motivation of making this video is because that one video I made when it told y'all why y'all need to do it. So I'm about to break it down further because the last one was a reaction. This time I'm about to tell you to your face how to make it. You know what I'm saying? And why you need to. Before we tell you how, why do you need to make 10K per month, man? So I got a couple of things jotted down. First off, bro, financial security. You know what I'm saying? You got to be able to ensure that you have enough to cover your basic living expenses. As you can see, bro, living is crazy. Living is, bro, I got to go full screen. Living right now is so crazy. The cost of living, bro, in Atlanta, the average apartment right now costs at least $2,500. $2,500. And I'm about to show y'all how much the average salary pay, bro. And you need 3 times the rent. You know what I'm saying? That means you need to make $9,000 a month to live in Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? And as y'all know, that is not realistic based on the average median salary in the United States. So that's one reason off dribble that you need to be making 10K a month, bro, to live comfortably. You know what I'm saying? That's not including bills. That's not including food. That's not including fun. That's not including none of that. That's straight on rent, bro. That's absolutely absurd. Next is family obligations to support the ones that depend on you, bro. You feel me? If you got a kid, you want to send them to the best schools, right? If you got your mom and she needs something, bro, you want to help her out, right, bro? That's why you need to be making 10. You see what I'm saying? Next up is lifestyle preferences. I know y'all want to live a certain type of life. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't want to live a certain type of life, you want the luxuries to be able to do certain things. You want that vacation. You know what I'm saying? You want a cool, comfortable car. You want a nice living arrangement, bro. In order to do that, you need to be making a certain amount per month. Debt repayment. If y'all boys got student loans, you feel me? If you got credit cards, you know what I'm saying? Making 10K a month to help you significantly. Let me move it over. Health care. Bro, I just watched the video and it says that people who make a certain amount, they live longer because of the health care, because they got certain health benefits, because they can go to the doctor anytime they want to. They live longer. They can eat healthier food. Bro, you only could do this if you're making a certain amount, bro. And also, last but not least, business ventures to fund entrepreneurial projects. Y'all know y'all want to do certain stuff, bro. You got goals, you got aspirations, you got things that you want to start up. You know what I'm saying? Those type of things take money. And in order to make money, is gonna take money. So I'm about to show y'all exactly how I'm gonna do it, or how I'm gonna tell you to do it. And I try all of these ways. Y'all know how I do. But before I show y'all these ways, what the fuck make me fit to talk about this, bro? Let me tell you why I feel like I'm fit. I feel like I'm in a position to talk about this and tell y'all about this topic. First off, a young nigga went from negative bank account, bro. I remember back in the day, like, bro, the shit was crazy, and I thought it was normal. You feel me? That was what I was around. So I went from having a negative bank account, bro, to living paycheck to paycheck. Like, bro, I didn't seen it all. A lot of people, bro, I don't even feel like a lot of people in this world, they probably never seen that side. You know what I'm saying? Y'all probably see that side, bro. I want y'all to see both sides. You know what I'm saying? Some people only see one side, and that could be a bad side or a good side. Some people only see the bad side all they life. They think that's normal. Some people only see the good side all they life. They think that's normal. I didn't went from thinking the bad side was normal. Now that bad side does not look normal to me, bro. I don't want to go to that bad side. I'm on the good side. This is my new norm. You feel me? So next, as you can see from scaling multiple YouTube challenges and businesses, bro. Multiple YouTube channels and multiple businesses to over 6 figures in income, bro. You know what I'm saying? And from my personal experience, I can confidently say that those lifestyles are worlds apart. It's two different lifestyles, from the thinking, from the things that you do, from the people that you meet, the people you interact with is totally different. And I can perfectly positively ensure you that making more money is a better lifestyle, bro, for everything, everywhere. It's just such a better trade-off, bro. And I'm pretty sure you know that. If you're watching this video, if you made it this far, you know that that's a better trade-off, bro. So let's get into the 3 ways that you can go. I broke it down into 3 categories. The first category is going to be the hardest way, but you can literally do it right now at this moment. It's going to be the hardest, but you can literally do it right now. The second one is the entry to the best way, bro. But it takes a little bit of skill. You got to do a little bit of learning. It's going to be a learning curve to get a certain skill set in order to do number 2. And number 3 is the GOAT method. And that's the method that I recommend. And when I get to it, you're going to see obviously why Avery B recommends number 3. Let's get to it. Number one, bro, is get multiple jobs. I know. I told y'all, did I not say it's gonna be the hardest way, bro? You're gonna be working like a motherfucker, but you're gonna be making some money. So, Pete, I did research. For this video, I did research. As you can see, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, that is a thing. The BLS, bro. Bureau of Labor Statistics. National Occupation, Employment, and Wage Estimates data. The average salary in the United States is $61,000 a year. I honestly don't even believe that, bro. I think it's lower. I remember somewhere I seen it was like 40,000 or something. But we gonna get a benefit of the doubt, man. The national average is 61,000 per year. Let's talk about 61,000 per year. 9,000 actually. Let's talk about that. So when I did the math, that is $5,000 per month. We ain't take taxes out, so that's more like $4,000 per month. Like I told y'all, bro, if y'all want to live in the city of Atlanta, it's gonna cost you $2,500. And we at 4,000, and you feel me, bro? That's not gonna cut it, you know what I'm saying? But luckily, number one is get multiple jobs. So say you gonna stack that, you feel me? We stacking, you know what I'm saying? So next point, as of August 15, 2024, the average hourly pay for an Uber driver in the United States is $18.75 an hour. So say you got your job that you work 40 hours a week, you feel me? And say you work Uber, another full-time salary there, you know what I'm saying? Don't say you ain't got time, because you got time. If you sleep 8 hours, if you work 8 hours, you got another 8 hours to do it. And that's not even counting weekends, but we gonna get to it. So literally I added this up. 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, that's 40 hours, you feel me? So say after you get off your main job, you driving home, you bust Uber down real quick, you feel me? Shit, we working, we grinding, you feel me? So now instead of 5,000 a month, you making what it is, 8,000 a month. So just from adding Uber to your main job, I said multiple jobs, that's 8,000 a month. But damn, AB, we need another 2,000 to make it 10. Bam! Pick up a part-time weekend job, because you still got your weekends when you touch the weekends yet. And that's going to round you up to $10,000 per month. Granted, you're not going to have any time on your hands, but you're going to be working, and this could definitely push you over the top to invest in skills, to invest in certain things, to do certain things, to get you your time back, bro. Because that's the whole point of having money, bro, is to get your time back. It ain't no reason, and it's pointless to have money if you can't do nothing with it, if you ain't got no time to enjoy it, you see what I'm saying? So let's get into number two. As you can see, I just broke down a simple way to make 10, but you ain't gonna have no time, but you know what I'm saying, it's gonna work. So let's go to the next one. Number two is gonna be your job plus a side hustle. Now this is what I've been meaning by your skills, bro, learning them skills. So as y'all seen, we did the main job, 61.9, and that's gonna get you $5,000 a month. And your side hustle, bro, this is where having and learning a high income skill comes in handy, because you can get $15,000 a year to unlimited amount a year, bro, just depending on how good you is at your skill set. And this skill set can be anything, bro. This skill set could be a personal chef, private chef. This skill set could be juggling. If somebody gonna pay you money to juggle, it could be rapping, it could literally be anything, bro. It just depends on you, what your side hustle is, and you can get creative with this, bro. If you want to learn more about side hustles, just Google it on YouTube. They're gonna show you different side hustles, bro. You probably already got a side hustle. For me, I remember when I was working my job and I had a side hustle, I had YouTube for sure. I wasn't getting paid for YouTube at the time, but I was doing YouTube, and I was making thumbnails for creators. I was making what's it called cartoons for creators, bro. I was doing a lot of stuff, and for me, bro, my side hustle was actually done on the job. If y'all know my story, bro, I bust down a truck and then go to the break room and do somebody thumbnail, send it out, and go bust down another truck, bro. You feel me? Back then, my prices was hella low, so I needed a lot of clients, you feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, I was busting them out. It was great money, you feel me? That all the money that I was making for the thumbnails, bro, it was coming in handy. It was an extra income. It was a side hustle, and it started me out. And once you master the side hustle, then we go to number three. It say become fluent in YouTube, but number three is gonna be taking your side hustle to your main hustle, making your side hustle your main hustle. As I told y'all, my side hustle was YouTube. It wasn't making that money at the time, but once I became fluent in YouTube, OMG, this was the best way to do it. But instead of telling y'all, as you can see on the screen, I'm gonna show y'all, you feel me? Shout out to AB Academy. I'm gonna give y'all an actual example from somebody in my academy. If y'all familiar with AB Academy, we are basically a group that helps people become fluent on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, from on top of me, from the left of your screen, we hosted a challenge this month that was called the August YouTuber Challenge. You feel me? And this challenge is dedicated to YouTube growth. So I had everybody do me one thing in this challenge. As you can see, screenshot your channel. On the first day of August, screenshot your channel. Today is currently August the 22nd. You're going to get this video on August the 22nd. So this is how recent this is, bro. This is how recent this is. Because I have certain tips. I have certain tricks where if you do this shit consistently, if you get the game that we put in this academy, your shit's going to go crazy. You feel me? So this is my dog King right here. King was already monetized. King already had a good channel. You feel me? As you can see, he had 57,000 subscribers. He joined the community, you feel me? He joined the community with 57,000 subscribers. He was like, all right, cool. Let's see what this shit talking about. Boom. He going through the YouTuber Academy. He going through all the courses that we got in the community. Now watch this, bro. King became fluent in YouTube. King just hit 100,000 subscribers, bro. As you can see, read it. This was 3 days ago. He posted this 3 days ago, you know what I'm saying? And as you can see from the estimated revenue, he went from $1,000 to literally $21,000, bro, in the course of less than 21 days. In 20 days, bro, in 20 days, he gained an extra $20,000, bro. You know what I mean? Now, if that ain't motivating you right now, bro, that is crazy. That is absolutely absurd, bro. Shout out that boy King, man, for joining the academy and actually taking the sauce, bro. As you can see, thanks AB for hella sauce, actually implementing it, bro. Thank you for implementing everything that we say in the academy, man. This right here had me lit as fuck when I seen it. Shout out that boy King, bro. As you can see, hey, no flukes, no gimmicks, you know what I'm saying? And it's not only King, bro. I put a couple of more testimonies in here, bro. Y'all can see it for y'allself. You feel me? Make sure you click the link in the description and join AB Academy. Give it a go. If you care about doing YouTube, this is the #1 YouTube Academy in the world. Join it up right now.